Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the settings on your account on Alibaba easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go this in the bottom on your profile, and here you will find up here the settings icon. So as you see here, you will find the settings. Now you can manage it as you like. You can manage the country, the currency, the language, the notifications, then you can change password, all of this. So that's it, and see you. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.